Mama Akwaba, wafre me Adwoa search me mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell on so for more news. Ebusanfo ora koku anyido na okase na ochre se eye na no asofofo mu ekohia ebo mpai ede ma man pani dada John Dramani Mahama no onti ase ena esan se de omo ye ni nyame nse ni menti no uhun se NDC fo mpanifu bi kompai bonase dabi babies with a sharp teeth fo nkwa no mkogu ho ni se mo pani dada Mahama NDC fo mpanifu ni na fi party no ene one Sam George no kuja to abla kwabo na Sami Jemfimo na enroli party no na eno na orako kwan do HSSA Owusu Bempah Reverend Boshe na anase enkomsha ode esho mapenda da John Dramani Mahama no Ashante region NDC youth omo aman warning so wantwe ho afi eye Reverend Owusu Bempah no ho a ade e fe be anytime obewi ankasa because ombeto etia no eda asemini ena yana ankasa yewe na mosanso kofe no me abreye enti eye inchima owura kokon do ede ebai
the Bible D4 Nakupon omu kasa oni omu kasa ema omu kasa
yeah
by way you see D4 no say Nakupon ne kasa e but wako kachre Sam George send ye Nakupon kachre no
Sam George nka
oh Sam George nka hey yes afa Sam George entumi nka no ena afraid D4 no say D4 asem ron kasa beka. Within that 2-minute window, you know what they were communicating to some of us? This whole thing is contrived.
I see.
That's all. That's all you communicated to me.
Yes.
It's contrived.
Yes.
Since when did Owusu Bempah and Sam George become friends? Since when did they become friends? Asofu ekuku damewo hono. Onu Owusu Bempah Nyankopon yi ade ne kire no wan kan kire asofu no. Say, Oka, Mami, Sam George, or Yosofo, or Yedifo. So when you package this whole thing and you think that you are misleading us, and they say, Mebunu Bibo, Ashante region, NDC Mebunu, Omo issue statement that John Mahama should distance himself from Owusu Bempah immediately, otherwise he will lose their support. Because they, yeah. NDC youth in the Ashante region.
Koko asofo ano mo ho no mo doso.
And meba ho omo doso. Amofa
Koko goso.
So I know for a fact that many of the men who were there, men of God who were there, are very angry. Because this was not part of the script. Let's meet the candidate. Why not? Let's pray for the candidate. Why not? But to prophesy and ambush all of us into your prophecy, people are very angry because they belong to churches. If yours is a one-man church, and you can prophesy and do whatever you want to do with your prophecy, some of them, if they get the prophecy, they must go to session. They must go to the elders. Because the church doctrines are different. One-man churches were Owusu Bempah DNB. But my EP church, the pastor alone doesn't function. He functions with session executives, presbyters. In other churches, you have deacons. You have elders. No matter what vision you see, you must share it with them. So if the presiding bishop of the Methodist Church, the Presbyterian moderator, Catholic, Anglican are there, and they know, oh, the former president wants to meet the clergy. Why not?
Why not?
And you go and bring somebody from some one-man church that he has seen a vision and that he has prophesied that God has said that this man will win and nobody can stop it. Just nobody can stop it. Do you know what you have done to them? You have abused their church doctrine. Yeah, that's what you have done to them. Because they must go back and answer. So all of you, do you believe in that prophecy? You have put them in a tight corner. Because that's not what they went to do. And if you look at the whole orchestration, say Sam George and the MC, President Mills, he had a national day of prayer and thanksgiving. Did you ever see me there? I mean, MC.
David.
He left it to the church. It is your program. Reverend Dr. Mudako, Reverend Kuma, Reverend Professor Asante, take this thing as the church and run it. I, as president, yes, I want something like that, but I leave it to the church to run. That's how. But how do you go and carry these boys, these same boys who are insulting everybody every day, and they now are leading prophecy? So it's a Sam George-led prophecy. No, it's a Sam George-led prophecy. Because he had to announce to us that Owusu Bempah says God has spoken to him. That he cannot say it. It's too heavy for him. Sam George, is something ever heavy for his mouth? But it's all contrived. It's a script. So Owusu Bempah say we refi. Say obeye nia yesi beye na. Program ni be wieo. Inti me kai obeje mic ne ye. That's all. It's politics. We contrive things.
Yes.
Me.
It happens.
It happens. It's a game.
It's a game.
But choose where you play the game. Choose where you play the game. Oh. Now, I know that the NDC itself as a political party, apart from the boys in Kumasi, the hierarchy. Did you see Ashante there?
No.
Did you see the General Secretary there?
No.
Did you see any party father and elder there? It's the same small boys. I'm telling you. I said I've been around since 92. So for 32 years of this dispensation, I've been around.
Yes.
Before some of these boys were born. So what I see, they cannot see.
Message way, a comma, me mammy, me papa no more OT region, and a voter region for. Share. Eya na edrum rebia na ya ye niema bia ma amboaya na esese ye nsesa ya adwene ehu siti bia na ye timu no na enye nti ye mpeso obi besen aba no sadi yakoyachi ufri oti region especially mo amwo Krachi district, Krachi East, Krachi West, and Chumuru Miss Ramo. This is the time my SSM who say Sambre when mu hear the papa of Mukrum. Mama minka some way or Mikrum Kasamu. Kia Majasun Kumwabele. One thing is fair, Alakachi Rio, Alesika Mafaki or T region mail. Capitalo, a yedo catchy a resu, a yirik dambai, kete. Yeah, kanu area for pay ye ba ya chamun kwanta. Feki district mfuibu. Ali allergy capital se okumika dia bua ali capital iyire damna se fra. Nteji MPP abindo yo ka dia wakanata ni. Ki ikuto ali nyimu kale lose yo. Angu se beba le fe ba monto. Ntamu tebu